Congrats! Another milestone, mga sisis! Saya! Nakakatuwa! The Dizon resident!
I'm so kilig. Are you kilig?
Hi mga CZs, this is your favorite passenger Prince and your driver for today with Mamita. We're just gonna sign the contract today kasi finally fully paid na namin yung lot na binili sa May Cavite.
Hooray!
Yes, that's another milestone sa relationship namin ni Zale right now. So later on after the contract signing, well, we'll take you to the contract signing and then pupuntahan natin yung lot. Right, so we're gonna show you what the lot looks like and then paligid na din kung anong meron doon sa area na. And while you wait for your CZs, sabi nga, I have to let you know guys na insert na lang muna namin yung mga clips from the previous from 2 years ago, and then we'll get back to you later on. All good? Bye!
Bye! Hi CZs, good morning! Obviously, nandito ako ngayon sa car. I'm just waiting for Ken kasi may nakalimutan ako dalhin. Today, we are heading to Kia Alabang. May papacheck lang kami with the car. And then after that, we are going to buy our first property. So, finally, nakahanap na kami and nag-reserve na kami last week. Pinag-isipan talaga namin to because this is not like something you just think about overnight. This is the lot that we have chosen kasi this is within our budget and also medyo malaki siya for the price. We were actually contemplating kung bibili na kami ng house and lot. However, yung mga napuntahan namin, most of them, maganda na yung house itself, but there will be a lot of renovations that we're going to do because of our preferences. And kung madami kaming renovations, I think it would cost us more. But yeah, there's really nothing much to see anyway kasi lot lang siya, but I'll still take you with us. So, alright, let's go! Congrats, love!
Congrats!
Pero nakapag-sign na kami ng mga papers, pero di pa naman.
Congrats!
Yay!
Congrats! Another milestone, mga CZs!
Happy.
Sakto lang. Poko.
Anyway, yun nga! Ang saya! Nakakatuwa! Wala lang. We finally have our own lot. Pabalik kami in 2 to 3 weeks time. Once ready na yung papeles. Buti hindi ako umiyak.
Ay, totoo? Naiiyak ka?
Sabi ko buti hindi ako umiyak.
Kaya nga, hindi. I mean, like, naiiyak ka nga.
Hindi. Like, iiyakin ako eh.
Bakit?
Tapos habang pumipirma kami ng kontak kanina ng mga sis na nakangiti na kami dalawa ni Ken na parang, ito na. Tapos may nakalagay na names namin. And then, wala, buyer and, alam mo yun? Slowly, at least may progress na. Tapos next naman yung bahay. Sana okay yung mga kapitbahay natin, no? Here we go! This is gonna be our future home. So, ito lang yung sementado, mga sisi. Yung sa kabila, hindi pa sementado eh. Kaya we'll have to wait for that to be cemented pa. This is our lot. Ito, sa kanan. Hindi buong yan. Partly. Part of that. This is it! Should I go down? Can you get me my other slippers? Tchanan! This one.
Here will rise the Dizon residence.
So, dito yung lot namin. Walang division. Ano ba yun? Mahon? Walang yung mga mahon. Wala yung mahon for like division kung ano yung amin. Markers. Hindi namin sure kung hanggang saan. Pero tulad nung ganito. Asa na? Asa na? Asa na yung marker? Ayan, yung may ganyan.
Can we both face our emptiness? Can we change like the season? I wanna make a better home.
alam kung post or anything. So, by the time you see this, maybe has been a while na. But we're gonna call our family. Excited kaming i-share din sa kanila. Kasi syempre sila magiging frequent visitors namin. Frequent visitors!
Ay, ito ba tulog sa lalay?
Hi, Kelly!
Hi! Tulog pa?
We're in the car. We have something to say. Are you ready? Are you ready?
No.
Yes!
Yes!
And the baby Dinidi?
No!
I told you. This is our lot.
Ay, wow.
Yay! Family naman ni Ken next.
Ma! Hi, tita.
Gagawin.
Ano ba dapat, Mami Kim? Ano ba tawag dapat sa kanya? Ay, mga pala. Hindi, may good news lang kami.
Ba yan?
Oo. Hi, tita. Tita Kim. Hindi, wala. May good news lang kami sa inyo.
Parang tama naman to.
Nandito kasi kami. Oh. Tapos ayan. 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 Dito itatayo ang Casa Dizon.
Di naman, ikala ko naman parang tama. Saya na masaya ako.
Hey, Dan calling our family. Dito na lang kayo muna kami.
Nagbigay na namin ng good news. Yeah. Right now, ina-absorb lang pa namin.
True. Everybody should be happy.
Okay na po sir sa anos kapag papaprint ko.
Ano yun? Yun yung association juice.
Ano yun sir? Iba yun sir? Sa ibang...
Hi, CZs. So, nandito kami sa may Hacienda, walang H. Dito kami nag-lunch and then namili lang din kami ng shoes ni Mami. Tapos, pupunta na kami sa aming land. So, kumakain na ako ng mangga, guys, kasi natakam ako dun sa binibenta dun sa may gilid. Tapos, bibili kami ng lengua. And I want ube pastillas. So, ayan, assorted lang siya meron. Ang anghang ng asin nila. Namamantali na din kami bumalik. At alas 3 na pala. My God. No oras na kami makakauwi. Okay guys, sumadahon-dahon na siya ngayon. Ulit. Ay, may baka. May baka. Ay, baka. Tinitingnan nila ako. Hello. Ay, kailangan natin paputol yung grass.
Tayo ba magpapagawa?
Hindi ko alam.
In here will rise our dream home.
Yeah. So this is our lot. As if you can see where our lot is. Like nakita nyo naman sa previous na clips, diba? Like this one's empty before. So I think it has been a year na since the last time we went. Kaya ang taas na din ng mga ano. Ito, what do you call that? Grass.
Hindi mo na ako sinusunda.
I'm so kilig. Are you kilig?
No.
What a milestone for us. Na.
Sakto lang.
Oh my God! What can you say sa kanila?
What a milestone for us.
Watch out for our house construction vlogs.
Vlog.
So, our plan is, hopefully within this year din, masimulan namin yung house construction. Or like at least yung blueprints and stuff like that. Like yung plans para matirhan na namin to. And ang ganda ng pwesto namin mga sisi. I don't know if I was able to show it to you. sa previous naman or previous visits namin, pagkalabas namin dito, Robinsons na siya agad. And then, malapit siya sa lahat ng fast food chains. There are KFC, Starbucks. Is Starbucks a fast food chain?
Jollibee.
McDonald's.
Tsaka meron siyang merong common market.
Yeah, wet
Just
market.
outside wet market,
Yeah,
yeah.
wet market just outside. May school din, no? Parang may hospital
May
din
school,
tayo.
tapos may katabing ukay-ukay.
Presko dito mga CZ because we're close to Tagaytay. Kaya malamig yung hangin.
Kasi closer to Tagaytay kami na medyo higher place kami.
So yeah, we're very excited! This is where we're gonna build our family. Build our home.
Toodles!
Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you on our next videos. Toodles! Toodles ka rin.
Toodles! Kami sa Toodles daw po dito.
Bye! Toodles!
I wish I didn't wanna stay. I wanna wear the sweater and not break down in my room. 'Cause there's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of